Hello everyone, welcome to Math Olympiad. So this is class 7th paper. We already discussed from class 1st to class 6. So in this International Mathematical Olympiad from the India, we can see how the syllabus classified. So from the starting, if we are talking about the logical reasoning, so number of questions are 15. Each question contain 1 marks. Then mathematical reasoning question number 3 and each question contain 1 marks. Then everyday mathematics has 10 questions and each question contain 1 marks. Last is the achiever section which has 5 questions only and each question contain 3 marks. So total marking of this paper will be 50 and the time is 1 hour. How the syllabus designed. So first of all, there is a verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Reasoning is the most crucial parts for develop the mental level and cognitive development of your child. That's why mathematics with reasoning make it more I think the successful more important for your child's overall development. In section 2, integers, fraction, decimals, exponent, powers, algebraic expression, and simple linear equation, line and angles, comparing quantities, the triangle and its properties, symmetry, congruency of the triangle, rational numbers, parameters and area, data handling, visualizing solid shapes, practical geometry. Section 3 has a syllabus as per Section 2. Section 4 has HOT, higher order thinking questions. Now, we'll start from the question number 1, which is, so find the missing figures given matrix. Matrix is given and there are the 4 options for you. So, here is a first triangle tilted, I think with the 45-degree, then now such position, then it tilted. So the next will be in such a way, so it's just round as a clockwise. The next figure should be in, I think, this one, such this way. On this will be the arrow. Okay, is there any figure? Yeah, C will be the correct answer for this. Okay, now come to the next question. So in this question they change the symbol. For example, addition by the division, minus means multiplication, division means addition, and multiplication means minus. Then use, we don't use so much brain in this, just use the same as it say. There is a division, so you replace it by the plus. Then here is a plus, replace by, wait a second, yeah, so plus replaced by division. Okay, then there is a multiply replaced by minus, and minus, so minus is replaced by multiply. Okay, use the BODMAS rule. So first of all we need to divide this value, so 320, and you divide 225 by the 15, so the result is 15. You can do now minus 15 and then multiply 8 5. You can multiply BODMAS, means after division you can use operators or multiply. So multiply, if you multiply this value, so 15 5 times carries 7, 15 8 120, 120 and 7 127. My dear, when you add these two numbers you get 3 3 5. So here is a negative number is greater than positive number, so result will be negative. And because you subtract 300 from 1200, so approx 900, so whatever the nearest value of the 900, this one, so answer must be minus 940. Okay, do not try to solve. If you find the answer nearest to you, you can directly use it. Now move to the next question, third number. In question number third, in a certain code language, chemistry is written as this one. How is the beanstalks is written? Before dealing this question, you must aware about the alphabet arrangements. Here is a suppose that chemistry with the N. It means what? It may be many ways the arrangement of the alphabets. For example, uh, if you write down the letters chemistry, A, you just use such a way A, B, C, D, E, F. Before this, I just also use one more thing. C, E is replaced by I. So second letter must be I. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and then suppose the result is X, Y, Z. X, sorry. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Suppose these letters are given. So chemistry is what? If you look the same question from the the inside. So Y then Z, R then S, T then U, S then T. So we don't need these letters. We can start such a way. So K must be L. L have two options. So we can say this and this both are wrong. C, K then L. For example, Y then you get Z. It means one you just added and you get from the 25 letters to 26 letter. Similarly, R, then after R what we get? S. So S is there. T, after T what we get? U. So such a way we try to find out the solution. So K. So after K what we get? L. So L we have in two cases. Now C. After C we get D. So D we have two cases. O. P already given. T, U. So this is given. Oh my God. S. So S must be replaced by S is in the same way. So these two letters are, I think, in same order. So we need to do something. F, G, H. Okay. But what exactly happened beginning letters? There is a C. So it must be D, but it's not D, it means N. So there is a large gap between these two numbers from C to N. Similarly, if we look this number, so B is there. So B, the next number should be C. But C will be not, as a C is here and D is not here. Similarly, B is here. If C is here in the first letter, so number is not considered. So this is possible that we must avoid this option too. So the correct will be C1. Why? Because B and O, so both have a gap. So this is our correct option, C number. So sometime we think practically in this question, because only the rote learning is not helpful for this question. You need to apply all the possible what possibilities happens. Okay, now move to the next question. So question number 4 with you here. And don't be very panic that question is very long. We don't need to solve the entire question. We just replace the x by given values, which is the suitable. We got the answer, and before that we also learn how to put the values. We avoid decimal and such a typical calculation. For example, in the same question we let it x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 means what? 7 minus 8 minus 1 minus 1 by 5 plus this is what? 7 plus 4 11 11 by 4. 7 minus 1 6 plus 6 by 7 is equal to 7. 23 minus 7. So 23 minus 7 is what? 16. 16 divided by 5. Now we can say denominator of right hand side is 5, but here is we get the 3 denominators. So is it possible now to solve this question? No, my dear, this value is correct, not correct. We should move for the next value. If you let is 8, so when you put 8, so in this side you got 0 0, and here is what? 8 plus 4 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 minus 1 which is 7. 7 divided by 7 which is 1. It means you got 4 in left hand side. Similarly 7, and what is there? It's a 23. 23 minus 8 is what? 15. So 15 divided by 5 which is 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. So the best value is 8. 8 is our answer. Okay. So no need to solve for the x. You just directly replace the given option, and which is suitable. You can get the answer easier and quickly. Now move to the next question. Here we need to understand question properly. First of all, we need to find the value of k. So k, if get the single digit, so no addition. But suppose that k is equal to, you got 14. I just let you example, it is not a correct value. So we just add these two number. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. So k is basically 5. Such a way we need to solve this question. So first of all, the value is given 55% of thousands. This is around the 550, if I'm not wrong. Divide by 60, it means what? Percent of this value. So zeros cancel, and yeah, we got, I think, 1 2 and 2 zeros are there. You just find out the values of this. Okay, now this is given k upon 2k plus 2. So what value must be here to solve this? So use the same value. If I let it as a double 5, so it's double is 1100. So we get 5. Wait. 550 and divide by 1200 is equal to k upon 2k plus 2. Now when you make it the simplest fraction, so you get 11 divided by 24 and k upon 2k plus 2. It means when you let k is equal to 11, so 2k, it means what? 11 multiplied 2 become 22 plus 2 24. So we verify by putting the value as a k is equal to 11. And when k is equal to 11 means what? The sum of digits 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So that we get the answer 2. So 2 will be the answer of this question. Now move to the next question. So in this question we have a figure where the line PQ is parallel to line RS is parallel to line UT. So suppose C is equal to given 75 degree. it means its alternative angle is this one because they form a Z pattern. So A plus B both must be is equal to 75 degree here. One condition is also given. A is equal to 2 by 5 of C. It means what? A is equal to 2 divided by 5 multiply 75. 5 divided by I think for 15, 5 times 75. So A is what? 30. A is 30, it means B is 45 degree. So we get A 30, B 45. It's time to find out the D. So B and D both make these both interior angles, the sum of these 180. So D is basically 135 when we subtract 45 from the 180. Now we need to find the value of B plus D by 2. B plus D by 2. B is what? 45 and D is what? 135. Half of 135 is around 67.5. When you divide it, you get 67.5. Now 67.5 add by the 45, the result is C. So our answer is C. So it save our time as well, it solve easily. Now move to the question number next. In question number 7, Garima and Mohit deposited 3,000 and 4,000 in a company at the rate of 10% per annum for 3 years and 2.5 years. Respectively, the difference of the amount received by them. The difference of the amount received by them. Okay. So we need to find the SI for 3 years for Garima and SI for 2.5 years for Mohit. And whatever SI we get, we need to find the difference. How? Let's start. So we have 3,000. So 3,000 rate is given 10%. Time is given 3 divided by 100. So zeros are cancelled. 3 times 9, 900 around. Garima's SI is 900. Now for the Mohit, 4,000. Mohit 4,000 for 10%, and the time is given in mixed, convert into simple. So 2 times 415, 5 divided by 2 multiply 100. So zeros cancel. Now it's 2 20 20 multiply by 50, so around thousands. So it's 1,000. So the value of Garima as a amount 3900. Formula 4,000 plus thousands become 5,000. So the value of Mohit is 5,000. So Mohit got finally 5,000. Garima got 3900. So this difference of both numbers around the 1100. Any option of 1100 is here. Okay, 1100. Yeah, the last option is 1100. So this is our result. Okay, I hope clear till here. Now move to the question number 8. In question number 8, at Simla the temperature was -7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, then dipped by 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. It means it reduced more, it decreases more. So it's around the in Wednesday temperature is around -10 degrees Celsius. -10. So on Thursday it rose by 6 degree. It means when you add -6 on -10 you get -4 degrees. So on Thursday the temperature around -4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of Shimla on the Wednesday and the Thursday respectively? -10 and 4 degrees. So the temperature is -10 degrees Celsius and -4 degrees. So this is our answer, B number. Now move to the next question. So in this question, the given figure shows the rectangle ABCD. R is thrice the size of P. We let P as the smallest unit, which is X. It means what is given? R is equal to 3X. And half of the size of S. R is equal to half of the size of S. It means if it's 3X, half S, it means S is equal to, this is 3X and 2 multiply, so 6X. Okay. Now, Q is twice of size of P. Q is what? Q is 2X. Okay. We need to find, okay, now done. What fraction the whole figure of the sum of the Q and S? Q is what? 6X and Q is what? 2, 6 to 8. It means S plus Q what? 8X. S plus Q is what? 8X. And total is how much? 3X and 4X. So 8 plus 4 is 12X. So total entire portion covered 12X. And we have a part of 8X. So X will be cancelled. We need to find out the fractional part. Okay. And when we divide, wait, something wrong is here. Now, R is what? 3X, S is was 6X, X and 2X. So when you add 6 plus 3, 9, 10 plus 2, 12. So total cover portion is 12. Okay. What fraction of the whole figure in this is the sum of the Q and S? And the Q and S is equal to 8. So 8 is sum of both 6X, 2X and 3X and X. So 8X and the total is what? 12X. Divide 4 2 times, 4 3 times. So we just go with the B number. So answer of this question is B. Okay. So no need to find the area of any figure. Just try to find out the ratios and then you can do this question easily. Now move to the last question today. So here in this question is given the statement if the four quantities A, B, C, D are the proportional in such a way that A ratio B is equal to the ratio of the C ratio D. Then we say A, B, C, R and D are the ratios such a way that with A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. So it's given, suppose that A ratio B is 5 ratio 9, B ratio C is given 4 ratio 7. So we need to find this ratio, then it's correct or wrong. Not correct. So for this we have a B ratio, C is 4 ratio 7 and A ratio B is 5 ratio 9. We must convert this number the same both case. So for it we multiply by 9 and for here we multiply by 7 to make a same number. So what we get now, it's a 63, means C is what? 63 and B is what? When you multiply by 9 in this number, so you should be multiplied by this number too. So 4 9 times what? 36. And if you multiply 7 this number, so 5 is also multiplied with 7. So 7 multiplied by 5 is what? 35. So correct ratio must be 35 ratio 36 ratio 30, sorry 63. So here is a 20, which is wrong. So statement, I think this one is wrong. Statement second is completely wrong. Now move to the again carefully statement first. Sorry, we need to solve this question again. There is something I think I missed. So again, if we start to solve this question, so A ratio B is what? 5 ratio 9. B ratio is what? 4 ratio 9. So B is common number between the both. So we need to convert the B in the same way. So B is here what? 9. Here is what? I think 4. So 9 4 times 36. B must be 36. So to convert 9 in 36, we multiply by 4. So 5 must be multiplied by 4. So 5 4 times 20. So 20. And this 7 is also multiplied by, I think 36. It means you multiply by 9. So it must be multiplied by 9. So you get what? 63. So A ratio B ratio C. Second statement is true. In the first statement is given if four quantities A, B, C, D are such a ratio, AB ratio is equal to the C ratio D. It means is given A upon B is equal to C upon D. and then say that they are in the ratio. No, because here you get AD is equal to what, BC. So this condition is not followed. The first statement is wrong and second statement is true. So we get with the both statement first second true. No, first is not. Statement first is true and statement second false. No, second is true. So this is wrong. First is false but second is true. So this is our answer. C will be the answer of our questions. So in this way we solve these 10 questions of class 7th. Now next video we will discuss with the class 8th IMO, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.